Come listen to me for a while, me good friends one and all, and I'll sing to you a verse or two about a famous ball. Now the ball was given by some friends who lived down in Ash Street, in a certain house in the Liberties where the ragmen used to meet. Well, the names were called at 7 o'clock, and every man was on the spot. And to show respect for the management, every ragman brought his mutt. I must admit that I brought mine at 25 minutes to 8, and the first to stand up was Kieran Grace for to tell me I was late. When up jumps Humpy Soodlum, and he says, I think somehow beat the ways are all going on tonight, is all looking for a row. Now listen here, Grace, if you want your face, you better not shout or bawl. There's a lot of hard chaws going to be here tonight to respect the ragman's ball. Well, for eating we had plenty now, as much as we could hold. We drank Brady's Lupine Porter until round the floor we rolled. In the midst of all the confusion, someone shouted for a song. When up jumps old Dunlavin and sings, keep rolling your barrel along. Then says my one, you're a queer one now, and Biddy you're hard to beat. Oh, when up jumps Liza Boland, and she told the whole her prate. Then my one made a cloud at her, she missed her and hit the wall, and the two of them went in the ambulance the night of the ragman's ball. Then we all sat down to some ham pairings when everything was quiet. And for broken noses I must say, we had a lovely night. Black eyes, they were in great demand, not to mention split heads and all. So if anyone wants to commit suicide, let him come to the ragman's ball.